Hey guys, Seaton HVAC here, just kind of hanging out on this Friday night. As you can see by that first little snippet, here, let's move this over a little bit. There, that's better. That first little snippet, it's been stuck on 1, 2, 3, 4 in 48 hours for at least half an hour. Okay, not one view. Over 2,000 shorts or 2,000 videos and shorts combined. Okay, so you're going to tell me that they don't recommend one of my good HVAC videos or shorts? Funny stuff. I got weird stuff out there. I have good how-to training HVAC videos. But out of those 2,000, 2,100, whatever it may be, I'm not getting one view in a half an hour on a Friday night. So what's going on here? I'm stuck at 1, 2, 3, 1234 in 48 hours. I used to get more than that in 1 hour. I used to get 2,000 in 1 hour. And now I'm getting 1,234 in 48 hours. And it's going down. So probably the next 48 hours it'll be 800. I think in last week I had a 48 hour block where I only had like 600 views. I can get that easily in 1 hour, previously to about 2 weeks ago, 10 days, 2 weeks ago. And I haven't changed anything I'm doing, so kind of weird. I'm trying to do more live streams. I'm trying to do more informative stuff in HVAC. I'm trying to do the right thing, and it just seems like YouTube is blocking everything, and I have no idea why. I don't talk politics on my channel. I don't talk. I don't curse too much. I say shit and stuff, but you know, you see some of these other guys' channels. They're constantly nasty. It's pretty ridiculous what some of them do. So I'm just kind of wondering what's going on here. Why I'm getting suppressed. Maybe I'm not that interesting as I thought I was, but I mean my subscribers are going up. I'm over 800 now, which isn't a lot, but it's enough where I should get more than, you know, I should get more than 10 views an hour. You would think, right? Between new viewers and subscribed viewers. And it doesn't just start up at a peak and just go down like that without a reason on the algorithm. So I'm kind of pissed off because I was trying to build this channel up to get monetized so I could actually help people, and that was my goal, was to help people. And for them to do that, it's just completely ridiculous. And you know what? If that's what they want to do, I'll find another way to do it. I mean, I'm already dead set on doing my couple of charity jobs I'm going to do, and that'll come out of my pocket. I have no problem doing that. I'm a very giving person, and it'd be nice to have a little bit of help, though, right, with the monetizing, wouldn't it? I mean, I'm almost there. And it's almost like I got there and they cut me off. So I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll keep working on it, guys. I'll keep putting out content. And if they don't like me putting out a bunch of shorts, fine. But I'm doing the shorts to get the stuff out there. You know, usually it's the snippets of my videos and do some goofy stuff, and then kind of trying to show you HVAC and everything. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.